Hello, Mr. Eric, Mr. Ryan.
We're not a teacher.
Happy Chinese New Year. How are you today?
Not Chinese New Year. Right now it's on Saturday.
Okay. How are you today?
No,
Good?
Friday.
So today we talk about single number.
What finger number?
Single number.
It's just one number,
Okay.
two numbers.
No, that means that if I have an array, okay, a list.
I already know what
Look.
single number.
Listen to me. I have an array. Some numbers.
What's in a way?
Some number, a list of numbers, or some numbers, okay? So look.
2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 5.
So look,
1, 2, 3, 4.
only one number appears once. All other numbers appears twice. Yeah?
Yeah.
So the task is to find that single number. So this is single number. Okay? So any thoughts? Any thoughts how we can do this?
Just find the one where it just appears one time.
Yeah, I know.
You just go on the first one and look for it. Is it in this spot? You found it. So you don't need to. So you just rub out of that one. And then you'll
Check
the
the
next
next
one.
one. Check next one.
Okay, so
until you can't find it.
basically you iterate the numbers and check if it appears if it appears more than once. Yes?
Yeah.
You just check, like, look, you have one, two, you are now looking at two, and then you check the rest if the
This
rest
chair
has
is falling
has
down.
two,
Yeah.
right?
This chair is falling
Okay.
down.
Yeah. Okay, so this can work. So what's the? I can write
Time
the.
complexity.
Yeah. What's the time complexity?
1.
No.
Oh,
Look. For I in range. Let's say range n. Okay. Now I'm at I, and then now I need to check for j in range. Again n. Okay. But you need to exclude the case when I n equals the j. It's the same number, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone. Okay, so how can we do this? If I not equals j, right? And if I not equals j, but num j's equals nums I, right? That means that we find the two duplicate numbers. Now we need to set this flag equals false. Okay? And then here, every time we locate the I, we set this flag equals true, okay? And then we find this flag equals false, means that it's not a single number, we break it, okay? And then here outside, if flag means that it's the single number, then return nums I, okay? Yeah? Do you see it?
What's it?
Flag here. So basically, look, I is the index, yeah, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then every time,
Tilted.
look, Eric, every time I locate it at 2, I need to find if the numbers other than this number equals to 2, right? And if I find it, I set it to false, which means that it's not the number we want, okay? And I break it. And then if the flag means that we can't find that number twice, then we return this number, okay? Got it?
What happens if there's
Neither
no single
E.
number?
Sorry?
Neither
What happens if there's no single
There
number?
must be an E
No,
there.
yeah. That mean no. It mean good question. What happens if there are no single numbers? But at this point, I mean that there will be a single number. So this is the requirement, okay? This is the given, okay? Do you get it? What's the time complexity? No. If you are looking at I and then you need to search for n times. This is n times. This is n times. What's it?
N square.
Where's that? N square. What's the space complexity?
N square.
Oh.
N.
Oh.
1.
Oh, 1. Yes.
Pwa.
Hua.
Well,
Okay. So can we do better?
Space
Can we do better? This can work. Can we do better? Can we do better? You think about it. Can we do better?
Yes.
So look, we look for this number, and we said we just need to find if the number appears more than once or not, right? So how about we use the counter, a notebook? Oh yeah. Yeah. Look. We can do this. Look. Alright. Notebook equals counter. Do you still remember this counter? Counter nums. Okay. And then for I in notebook, if notebook, no, for I in nums. Okay. For I in nums. Actually, for I in notebook is okay. For for value count in enumerate, okay, enumerate. Actually not enumerate. It's actually in in nums, okay, in notebook. If C equals 1 means it only appears once, yeah, then we return V, okay. Yeah, that's it. Do you get it? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Look at this counter. So what happened? These 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 5, 5. What happened in this notebook? Notebook will be an object. Contains what? 2.
Numbers.
2. What's 2? What's the value of 2? 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, and 5, 2. So this is the value. 2, 3, 1, 5.
Can
2,
you
3.
just stop at 1?
No. This counter means that it counts how many elements in this array. So look, it has 2. How many times it appears in the array?
2.
2, okay. How many times appear for the number 3?
2.
How many times appears for number 1?
1.
How many times for number 2? Yes. And then we go through these objects and then find out, okay, if it's C equals 1, then we return this. Okay? Yeah, that's one way of doing it. Okay? And
You just add all of the notes
yeah, you can.
all together, and if it's odd, then it must be an odd number. Just joking.
Nums, you can do this I equals, go through the numbers, and if notebook is the same thing as notebook I equals 1, and return the I, okay? It's the same thing, okay? Yeah, go through these numbers, and if we check the count in the notebook, if its value has 1, means it only appears 1, yeah? Then we return this number, okay? Yes? How about we use the exclusive OR? Do you still remember this?
Excuse.
1 and 1 is 0. 0 and 0 is 0. 1 and 0 is 1. 0 and 1 is 1. Okay? Do you still remember?
Yeah.
This x, y, this is x, y, this is x exclusive y. Okay? So, it means that if it's the same, it's nothing, right? If it's the same, it's 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so look.
If it's different, it's 1.
Okay, so look. There are only one number. Eric, look at me. Look, Ryan, look at me. If there's only one number, that's different, right? This one appears 1, yes? And all other numbers appear twice. So what happens if you exclusive all those two numbers? What happens if you exclusively? What did I just say? If the same, you become
0.
okay. So what's the result? If I exclusive all the numbers, what's the result?
The result will be 1.
Will be the number we're looking for.
Yeah.
Do you remember previous one? I forgot to say the counter thing. What's the time complexity?
O-N.
And where? No, O-N. Come on, because we iterate once,
I
yes?
just said square.
Oh, yes.
But
Oh,
just say square 4.
what's the space complexity?
I want no.
The notebook thing? Oh,
N.
1. No.
N.
if it's using space, it's O-N. Oh, come on.
I just
Okay,
said
so,
that.
okay, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one. So can you write it? Look, x equals 0, and then for I
in range.
numbers.
Oh, come on.
Then what should I do here? X equals what? X equals x what? I and return what? Can you write this?
Huh.
Can you guess?
Return numbers. No.
X equals
I.
x what?
Return x.
X equals x what?
X equals x. X uses what I.
Well done. And then this return?
X uses y. X.
We are return if I exclusive all the numbers. The numbers is the we're looking for. So we exclusive return what?
Answer. I. Nines.
What the numbers are we doing here?
X.
Return what?
X.
Well done.
I just said X.
Okay.
Yeah, we said X way earlier.
Okay. So look, what's the time complexity? What's n? Come on.
N.
Oh, n. Because we are iterating these numbers only once, yes? Yes, got it?
Yeah.
What's the space
And
complexity?
then O-N.
Are we using anything there?
One.
Come on. Okay.
I just said it before earlier.
Okay, then you can look that for you can reduce. You can just simply using this reduce is a function. Okay, reduce means that I want to reduce all this into one single number. Okay, so reduce what? Reduce I can pass a function in there. Okay, let's say I can pass a function f here and then the numbers. And given the star with a 0. So this f thing is, I can write it, define f, a, b, return a exclusive of b. Okay? So look, remember that the for thing, for loop thing, yeah? It's the same thing as this, yeah? You define a function, a and b, return the result, exclusive of, and then you pass this function, telling that I want to reduce the array into a single value which the star initialized by 0 and then I take this the way how we reduce it. Okay, so basically it's the same. Okay, and then
Basic.
so you can write because it's a one-line thing, you can just do it. Return lambda. Okay, what's this mean? Lambda. A B colon
Number.
A exclusive B. Okay,
Even
so it's the same.
number.
Yeah, lambda. Okay.
Lam.
Okay.
Lam.
Okay. So can you
It's a
write?
lam that adds.
Look. Define
Lam.
single number.
Lam.
Single number. Lam.
Lam.
Okay. Can you write it down? Come on, Eric. The last bit.
Return.
Find the single number.
One.
Try your best. Try your best.
5. 1.
The single for loop. Remember, you just
Single.
yeah. Come on, your turn.
1.
Come on. 4 A.
The whole thing.
Okay, I write it down for you. Yeah, x equals 0. Okay, and then return something here, and then you write the for loop. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Come on, stand up, please. For what? Stand up, please. For what?
This is tilted
I?
chair.
Yeah, for I.
Little
Yes.
tilted chair.
In what? Can you write it properly? Come on, I guess stand up, please. In what? In what? Here, in the numbers, yeah? So it means that the number I will be 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 5. And then, what should I do? Yes, well done. And then what should I do with the x? Yeah. And what should I do over here? What should I do over here? X equals what?
Another.
Yeah.
X equals Y.
X equals
Nums.
X exclusive I. Well done, you can do it. Look, that's it. Yeah? Got it?
Yeah.
What's the time complexity?
N.
What's the space complexity?
1.
Okay. So what? Can you explain to mommy, like mommy don't know, what's this doing here? What's this big code doing here? What does it do here?
In the nums, you're just X is X uses everything.
Sorry, what does it mean? What does it mean?
Turn X.
I mean, what are we doing here? What is our task?
Use all of them and find the
Find what? Find what's the number we're looking for?
single number.
what's a single number? It only appears
Once.
Okay, because all others appear what?
More than once.
Twice. Because all other appears twice. If we do an exclusive on number, the same number twice, what will we get? What do we get? What do we get if it's like eraser, exclusive all. If you exclusive all the same number, you become 0. Okay, so 2 and 2 will become 0. 3 and 3 will become 0. 5 and 5 will become 0. And
1.
is any number left will be the single number. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay, so can you stand up in the front
Why?
and say hi?
Happy Chinese New Year.
Okay, bye bye.
Whoa.